Right, welcome to New Durham Junction. Today I'm going to be going through the listings for Class 37 TTS sound chip. So I am using the NCE power cab, and I'll be going through the full listings from function 1 to function 25. So you'll have to bear with me, and I will give you every number which is on here step by step, which buttons I'm pressing. So function 1 gives you engine startup. Number 2, horn low. Number 3 is horn high. Number 4 is brake squeal. Function 5 is notch up the engine. Number 6 is notch down. Number 7 is idle. Number 8 is thrash. So what we're going to do, we press number 8. Then number 6. Then number 5. And then number 7. So I'm going to turn the engines off, and I'm going to go through functions number 10 to 20. So to access the higher functions on the NCE, you hold your shift button and you press button 0, and that brings up functions, I don't know if you can make it out there, as number 10 to 19. So each one higher function you've got to press F0. So for the compressor for number 10, it's number 1. Don't know if you heard that. There we are. Function 12, which is the fan. Function 13 is horn high. Function 14 is horn low. We'll shut the fan off. Function 15 is the primer. That's a primer. 16 is slow flange squeal. Well, that was canny. 17, we've got the Spirix valve. 18 is short, horn short low. 19 is the short horn short high. So we're going to go into higher functions again. So you press shift 0 twice. That brings up functions 20 to 28. So we're going to go function 21, which is, 20 is wagons buffering. Right? 21, which is wagons clanging. 22 is alternative door slam. 23 is guard's whistle. 24 is locomotive buffering. 25 is aux if used in locomotive, i.e. toggle on and off. I believe that's for the cab lights. So that function has not been used yet. So thanks for watching the cordless rail class 37421 with the Hornby TTS chip in at New Durham Junction. And that was just a step-by-step instructions for what the functions do on the TTS chip. So, thank you very much. Goodbye now.